Assalamualaikum and hello. Me and my group wants to present to you about the 3D printing and rapid prototyping from COS Computer and Multimedia Technology. So, let's meet our team. First, we have Fikri Alif, Hasanul Khairi, Nabil Mustaqim, and Leslie Shameh Fitri. For the content of basic of 3D printing, first we got the introduction of 3D printing and rapid prototyping. Second, definition and principles of 3D printing. Third, various 3D printing and rapid prototyping technologies. Fourth, materials used in 3D printing and rapid prototyping. So let's move to introduction. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional object layer by layer from digital models. It is a type of rapid prototyping that allows for the efficient production of prototypes and functional parts. This technology has application in various industries, enabling quick and cost-effective prototyping, customization, and even production of complex designs. Materials used in 3D printing include plastic, metals, and ceramics, offering versatility in creating a wide range of objects. Rapid prototyping, facilitated by 3D printing, accelerates product development cycles and promotes innovation.
So we go to next slide. Definition and principle of 3D printing and rapid prototyping. Definition for 3D printing. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a process of creating physical object layer by layer from a digital model, allowing for the efficient production of complex and customized design using various materials. Principle for 3D printing. The printer interprets a 3D digital model and builds the object layer by layer. It deposits material such as plastic or metal following the design specification. This additive process contrasts with traditional subtractive manufacturing methods, offering flexibility and precision. And we go to definition of rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping is a technique for quickly producing physical models or prototype of a product using a computer-aided design CAD data. It aids in enhancing design concept, functionality, and features before full-scale production. Principle for rapid prototyping. The focus is on speed and iteration. Rapid prototyping technologies, including 3D printing, enable the swift creation of prototypes. Change to the digital model can be easily implemented, fostering a dynamic and interactive design process. This accelerates product development cycle and support efficient testing and refinement. So we go to various 3D printing and rapid prototyping technologies, FDM, SLA, SLS. 1. Fuse deposition modeling, FDM. Its principle is an FDM is an additive manufacturing process where a thermoplastic filament is heated and extruded layer by layer to create the final object. For materials, common materials include PLA, ABS, and PETG. Application. FDM is widely used for prototyping and producing durable, functional parts. It's cost-effective and accessible, making it a popular choice for hobbyists and small-scale production. And two, stereolithography (SLA). For a principle, SLA use a UV laser to solidify liquid resin layer by layer, creating precise and detailed object with a smooth surface finish. For our materials, resin come in various types, including standard, flexible, and customizable resin. Application SLA is ideal for producing high-resolution prototypes, intricate models, and part with fine details. It's commonly introduced in industries like jewelry, dentistry, and product design. And three, selective laser sintering (SLS). For principle, SLS involves using a high power laser to selectively fuse powder materials, typically nylon or other polymers, layer by layer to form the final object. For materials, SLS can work with a variety of materials, including nylon, polyamide, and glass-filled nylon. For application, SLS is known for producing strong and functional prototypes, often used in industry like aerospace and automotive for producing complex, durable parts without the need for support structures. So we go to material use in 3D printing and rapid prototyping. It has six materials. One, polylactic acid, PLA, and two, ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene string, and three, nylon, and four, carbon fiber, and five, metal powders, and the last one is TPU, thermoplastic phototape. And we go to the last slide, that is summary. In the world of innovation, 3D printing and rapid prototyping redefine how we bring ideas to life. These technologies operating at unprecedented e- these technologies operating at unprecedented speed transform concept into tangible prototype with tailored excellence from aerospace to healthcare. Their impact diverse industries, ushering in a new era of creativity of customization. This journey, where imagination knows no bounds, is shaping the future of design and production. Thank you for exploring the captivating world of 3D printing and rapid prototyping, where each layer signifies a step into a limitless future. So that's all for us. Thank you.